you still value love. You just don't organize your life around it anymore. Why does that feel uncomfortable, to you and to others? There is a stage in emotional maturity that many people misunderstand. Love does not disappear, but it stops being the axis around which everything revolves. Stoicism does not reject love. It rejects obsession. When inner stability grows, love no longer carries the weight of purpose, identity, or emotional survival. It becomes part of life, not its foundation. For many, this feels like something is missing. In reality, something heavy has been removed. Psychologically, prioritizing love often masks unmet inner needs. When meaning, direction, or self-worth are absent, love is asked to compensate. As those inner structures strengthen, love is released from a role it was never meant to carry. Epictetus warned against attaching peace to external conditions. When love becomes the primary source of fulfillment, it also becomes a primary source of disturbance. The Stoic chooses balance over dependency. Consider a real-life example. Someone once shaped their schedule, goals, and emotions around romantic connection. Over time, they build a stable inner life. They still care deeply, but they no longer rush, overgive, or compromise in order to maintain closeness. Others interpret this as emotional withdrawal. It is not. It is recentering. Marcus Aurelius wrote about placing the highest value on the condition of one's own mind. When peace becomes central, relationships naturally adjust around it. This shift often brings guilt. People worry they have become selfish or distant. Stoicism challenges this fear. You are not neglecting love, you are relieving it of impossible responsibility. Here is the actionable practice. Notice what you sacrifice for love. Ask, does this support my inner stability, or does it disrupt it? Peace is not avoidance, it is alignment. Then ask, if love were removed temporarily, would my life collapse? If the answer is yes, love is carrying too much weight. Stoicism teaches redistribution, not rejection. Love grows healthier when it is no longer a priority above all else. It becomes calmer, clearer, more honest. When peace takes its place at the center, love does not fade. It simply stops being desperate. And that is not loss. That is maturity.